There are many cool properties here in Roseburg that sit on the river. Some are over $1 million, some are over the 500. But the question is, where is the good spots? Well, in my opinion, if you are on the North Umpqua, that is one of the best spots. So today, I am going to take you through a property that is on the North Umpqua. Here's something really cool about this property. It sits almost walking distance to Whistler's Bend County Park. So with that, let me show you this property. Hey everybody, I'm Jerry Norman with Oregon Life Homes. Today I am going to walk you through a really cool property. It's pretty modest. It is on the river. Now this house is 1,600 square feet, and here's something else that's really cool. And I'm going to show you this towards the end of the video. Is it's got a guest apartment. So how cool is that? Over 3 acres, just under 4 acres basically. It's got a small little vineyard and a huge garden area. Pretty cool. So let's take a look on the inside. All right, so let's check out the inside of this place. Now look at that view. Laminate hardwood floors. Full Trex deck out back, I should say. And then you got your dining room area right here. Little desk right here. Goes into your kitchen. Laminate countertops. Cool thing is you got 2 sinks over there. One thing to note about this place is the upstairs is 2 bedrooms and it's just over 1,300 square feet. I'm gonna say it's about 1,350 up top. The apartment down below is 250, and so 2 bedrooms up top, 1 down below. Separate entrance for the down below one, which is pretty cool. All right, so let's finish checking this out here. So off the living room, walking this way, you're gonna walk right into your master bedroom. So you got a master bedroom. Hey, who's that guy? And then your master bath, walk-in shower, nice tile work. And then your bedroom has got the view of that river. So you wake up every morning with a view to that river. I mean, would it get any better than that? That river right there. Now, so you've got your master, this door closes, then you've got a little half bath right here. So that's your guest bath. Nice wood stove. Those nights. Ooh, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a hummingbird right there. Let's try and get the hummingbird. There he is at the hummingbird feeder. There he goes. All right, back at it. Cool nights. Nice fire. Heats you up here. Now, there is forced air heat here and forced cool. Tile floors in the kitchen. All this pantry space right here, super cool. Microwave spot up above. You've got a downdraft oven. I wonder if there's any cookies in there. Then you got another full bath with a shower, another walk-in shower over there. Tile floors, and then your second bedroom up top. So the bedrooms are split from each other, so this house is perfect for somebody that's looking to downsize but still wants a river view, or if you're looking for a property like this, I've got a calendar link. Book a call with me. Give me a call, book a link with me. I'm happy to walk you through it, show you any properties that are available. Let me take you out on the deck. This is where it's at. So you've got a nice little patio space right there. The property goes all the way up to that garden, which I'll take you up there in a little bit. Steps all the way down the side, goes all the way down to the river. So there's river access. So sit out here, have your coffee in the morning, watch the river. I mean, it's amazing. And then this faces west, so you get sunsets right over that hill over there. Let me show you. Sit here, watch the sunsets. The other thing is there's blinds that come down here to keep this cool. That one's going to be repaired. But so there's blinds here, there's blinds on the window here. So when that sun is baking in, you can really get cooled off pretty quick. So pretty cool. Now let me take you outside and we're gonna hike down to the river. So come along. All right, let's go. All right, so right behind me is the garden area. And the property goes all the way up over this hillside. Let me just point the camera up there. So there's the garden area. And the property goes way up there. And if you can see up there, that is the vineyard. So pretty cool. Now, let me take you, we're just gonna kind of walk around the property here. All right, so now let me show you one of the coolest things. So if you've got a mother-in-law, an aunt, cousin, sister, a brother that doesn't seem to want to go away, we've got a separate living space, separate entrance, and everything right here. So this studio, just a studio apartment. Sink, small little refrigerator. Perfect spot for bed. And a full bath. The area of this is just under 300 square feet. So we got a little storage shed right over here. That's for your lawnmower or whatever. And then we've got rainwater collection right here. That's basically for fire protection. But all the water that comes off the roof is held into there. So then you got this nice little pathway that walks up to the garden. All right, so let's go check out this garden area here. They've done a really good job with landscaping. Garden area is up this way. Here's your back patio. Check out that view. Can't get enough of that. So we got apples, we got blueberries, all kinds of stuff, raised garden beds. Blueberries there up at the top. Those look delicious. Once again, that view. Nice fences to keep the deer out. I don't know if you can hear that river, but it is calming. So So you got a nice little pathway all the way down to the river. Hear me huffing and puffing already? Oh, I should walk. So, property comes all the way through here. And trails well maintained. So obviously out this way, you are going to be wanting to watch out for fires or whatever. So that's always a concern. So you definitely want to make sure that you're fully insured there. Nice little switchback trail. Ooh. And right over there, it's a nice little hawk's nest, it looks like it was set up. So right over there is Whistler's Bend. If you were like a kayaker or something, rafter, float, whatever, float all the way down. Get out right at your property. There you go. Nice, cool river property right on the Umpqua. Now what I would do is, so you didn't have to carry everything up and down from the river all the time, I would put a pulley system. Didn't mean to do that. I'd put a pulley system up here. But you got a few stairs going down, you got a box down there to hold your stuff. There is a pump. So the water for this property is supplied by the river. There's a complete filtration system in the house. So it pumps out of the river up to a holding tank up above the garden. And basically for your water, all you're paying for is the power for the pump. Registered water rights. So pretty neat, cool property. I love it. I could sit here all day long. Look at that. All right, let's make this hill climb back up. I'll let you see it, just so you got an idea. So you're paying for the river, but to be on the river, you got to make the hike. Now, if this property is something you're looking for, or anything in the Roseburg, Douglas County area, hit that calendar link down below. It's a link to book a call with me. 15-minute call, no obligation, no nothing. Happy to talk you through it. And if you're interested in this property, just give me a call. Give me a call, text. All that contact info is in the description also. Happy to show this property to you. It is super cool. I might not make this hike again, unless you talk me into it. Probably need a cold beer down there. But with that, check out these other videos about living in Roseburg. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.